Welcome, today I am with Anker SoundCore Boost Speaker and I want to show you how you can stop your cell phone speaking through the speaker while you are in the phone call. So we have to be connected with your speaker by Bluetooth, just like that. And of course it's working on the Android. I don't know how to set it up on the iPhone because I don't see such an option like here. So when you are on the device and when you are connected, you have to select this gear icon of the settings. Next, you will find here the phone calls, media and contact sharing. So we have to turn off the phone calls. Right now, when you receive or make call, it will go straight to your cell phone. So you will not hear the speaker voice right here in your Anker speaker. So that's how you can fix this problem. If you want to get back calls, just click on the switcher one more time, and right now when you make or receive calls, any calls, you will get it right here through your speaker. So yeah, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.